Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF file with a digital signature in a laptop. First, head over to the official website and download and install Adobe Acrobat DC for free. To sign a document with a certificate-based digital signature, you will need to obtain a digital ID. In Adobe Acrobat, digital IDs are used to certify documents or add digital signatures. Go to your profile from the top right corner and select Preferences, then Signatures. Click More for Identities and Trusted Certificates, then choose Digital IDs. Click the Add ID button. If you have a digital ID from your organization, select this option. Otherwise, follow the prompts to create a new self-designed digital ID and enter these details. Once done, click on Next to proceed further. After that, you will be asked to create a password to protect your file. Once your ID is set up, you can customize the appearance of your digital signature. You will need a digital image of your signature for this. Click on these lines given in your top left corner, then open a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once it is opened, click the sign icon given on the left. Then add your signature using your mouse pointer. Save the signature as a JPEG or PNG and then convert it to PDF. Now let us customize the appearance of your digital signature. Go to your profile and click on Preferences. Next, select Signature. Here, click More. Select the option of New and create a new appearance by giving it a title. Once done, click on Imported Graphics. Next, import the image file of your signature. After that, choose which information you want to include, such as your name, date, location, and reason for signing. Once you have completed these steps, you are ready to digitally sign in PDF. Click on these lines and open the PDF document you want to sign. Your signature will be added to it. Click on the Tools menu and select Certificate Options. Then select Digitally Sign. Draw the area where you want a signature to appear, then choose your digital ID. Select the appearance you created and enter the password for your digital ID. Finally, click the Sign button. Remember, once a PDF is signed using a digital ID, it becomes read-only for everyone, including the signer. So make sure to save the original and signed copy of the document. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.